Ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande has remembered Sushant Singh Rajput with an emotional post 3 months after his death. Time flies fast, life goes on at its pace, but some memories can never be forgotten of our dearest ones. You will always remain in our thought, Sushant, Ankita tweeted from her verified account on Monday. She tagged the post with hashtag justice for SSRI's global demand and hashtag it's already 3 months today. Monday marks 3 months of the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, who passed away in Mumbai on June 14. Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti shared a new song titled Jashn-e-Jahan, created in memory of the late actor, unverified Twitter account on Monday morning. Sharing the song, Shweta wrote, "It has been 90 days bhai, left his physical body. The song is dedicated to honor and celebrate his ever-felt presence in our lives." Bollywood actress Kareena Kapoor Khan spent the Sunday evening by gorging on delicious pan pizza. The Veerati wedding actress took to her Instagram stories to share photos of her pizza. "My first pizza is getting ready. Can't wait, Puni and Tejas," Kareena captioned the first picture. "Deep dish pizza has hit my heart deep. Thank you guys," she wrote as caption for the second picture. On August 12, Kareena and her actor husband Saif Ali Khan announced that they were expecting an addition to their family. Saif and Kareena tied the knot on October 16, 2012. The couple has a son Taimur, who was born on December 20, 2016. Actress Kiara Advani's upcoming film Indu Ki Jawani teaser is finally out now. Kiara took to Instagram to share the news. She wrote, "मैं तो टाइम से आ जाऊंगी डेट के लिए, आप लेट मत होना. Wait just a little more to meet Indu." Backed by Nikhil Advani along with Madhu Bhojwani, Niranjan Iyengar and Ryan Stephen, Indu Ki Jawani marks the Hindi directorial debut of Bengali writer-filmmaker Abir Sen Gupta. Indu Ki Jawani is touted as a coming-of-age comedy film. It also features Aditya Seal and Malika Dua. The trailer of the film will launch on 16th of September. Actress Disha Patni has made a floral statement and fans are loving it. In an Instagram snapshots, Disha looks stunning in a yellow floral dress paired with heart-shaped earrings, and the dewy makeup adds an extra glow to her perfect skin. On the work front, Disha was last seen in Malang, which also features Anil Kapoor, Aditya Roy Kapoor and Kunal Khemu. The film is a revenge saga set in Goa and, despite moments of gruesome violence, has catchy tunes composed by multiple music directors. Disha will next be seen in Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai. The action drama starring Salman Khan was supposed to be his Eid release this year but has got delayed owing to the ongoing pandemic. On Sun Yug's 10th birthday, Ajay Devgan and Kajol took to their respective social media handles to share pictures and videos of their little son. Sharing a boomerang video of Yug on Instagram, Kajol wrote, "I know nothing, I know everything. Yug Devgan, happy 10th birthday to my little Buddha. Miss you more than I can say." Kajol is currently in Singapore with her daughter Nissa, who studies there. Ajay took to Instagram to share few pictures of Yug planting saplings. He wrote, "Working towards a green tomorrow. Cannot ask for more. Happy birthday Yug and lots more to come." Bollywood heartthrob Ayushmann Khurrana is celebrating his 36th birthday today. The Bollywood star rang in his birthday with wife Tahira, who took to Instagram to post an adorable photo from the birthday celebration. The photograph features Ayushmann, whose face can be seen smashed with his birthday cake, while Tahira can be seen eating the cake off his face. She captioned the post, "Having my cake and eating it too. Hashtag happy birthday soulmate." On the acting front, Ayushmann Khurrana has started work on physically transforming himself for his role of a cross-functional athlete in an upcoming love story directed by Abhishek Kapoor. Veteran actor Anil Kapoor hit the beach but not to relax. As fitness comes first to him, he used the spot to work out. Sharing a video of him running on a beach, he posted on Instagram on Sunday. During the lockdown, I was dreaming about the beach, dreaming of escaping. Finally, I get to the beach and my trainer makes me sprint. Fitness always comes first. It's not the location but about the dedication. Actor Jackie Shroff commented, "Bhidu bhari," to which Anil replied, "Get ready for our next together, team working on it." Actor Sophie Chaudhary and Ishan Khattar also commented saying how inspiring he is and gives fitness goals to people. On the work front, Anil will next be seen in Karan Johar's multi-starrer Takht.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.